Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials so the fix works. First, make sure your iPhone 15 Pro Max is running the latest iOS. Updates resolve many hotspot bugs. Next, enable cellular data and toggle personal hotspot on. This initializes the service. Also, check your carrier plan supports tethering and that you have a stable signal. Once done, restart the phone app briefly and proceed to network resets. These steps eliminate common configuration causes before deeper fixes. You now perform the detailed fix. Reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. Go to Reset Network Settings, confirm, and let the phone erase saved Wi-Fi and VPN info. This forces the hotspot service to rebuild. After the reset, reboot the phone and wait about 30 seconds before re-enabling personal hotspot. Re-enter your Wi-Fi and hotspot password and choose WPA2 or WPA3. This ensures compatibility and security. If connections still fail, check connected device limits and Bluetooth tethering options next. You finish by validating the fix and applying a key troubleshooting tip. First, test the hotspot with a second device and try USB tethering to see whether the issue is Wi-Fi specific. Make sure carrier settings are updated by opening Settings General About and accepting any prompts. If the hotspot still fails, contact your carrier to confirm tethering isn't blocked or limited on your plan. If they confirm service is okay, schedule an Apple support session to inspect hardware or persistent software faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.